Alright everyone, welcome to your fourth lesson. In this lesson we'll be dealing with bytes. So the learning outcome of this lesson is to show an understanding of the concept of a byte. You need to understand what is the meaning of a byte. Explain how bytes are used for measuring storage capacity. So byte is actually a unit of measurement of storage capacity, of how many information you can store. Let's start with binary digits. Given the following sequence of bits using the binary system, as you can see, base 2, in the above examples there are 4 binary digits or bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, in this video we are going to look at the concept of byte. So first of all, what you need to know, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. In this case, when I say 8 bits is 8 zeros and ones. Now why do we need the concept of byte? So any character on your keyboard, when you press it, it must be converted to the binary system of numbers, and how many binary digits you'll need for it is 8. This is why we say any character is represented as 1 byte, and at the same time it is represented as 8 bits. So, like I have stated earlier, all information are stored in the form of byte, in the form of 8 binary digits. So 1 character, for instance, is represented as 1 byte, and 1 byte is represented as 8 bits. So when I say character, it can be letters, alphabet, question marks, even spaces are counted as characters. So let's say for this example, A, B, question mark. In this case, how many characters we have? You just need to count 1, 2, 3, so for 3 characters. The number of bytes, 1 character is 1 byte, so you just need to do proportion, which will be 3 bytes. Now, in terms of bits, it will be 1 byte is 8 bits, so we got 3 bytes. In this case, it will be 3 times 8, which will be equal to 24 bits. Alright, that's it. In this example, I'm going to give you a short practical demonstration of how capacity works. Right now I have a storage capacity.txt file which is saved on my desktop, as you can see here. Currently there are nothing is typed inside this text document. So I'm just going to close it and then check the capacity of this file. As you can see right now there are 0 bytes. But I'm going to close this and then edit it again using my notepad, and let's say I'm going to type right now AB question mark. So as you can see, I have 3 characters right now, therefore that should be equal to 3 bytes. So when I'm going to check the file capacity of that, I'm going to get 3 bytes. Now I can again manipulate this file again to add space, some more characters, and then save it back again. I'm going to do a right click and then properties. On that you're going to say it's going to be 6. The reason behind this is you're going to see that, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be for my blank space, 5, 6. Remember that all characters are counted as 1 byte, okay? 1 character, 1 byte. Even spaces, letters, question marks, alphabets and so on are counted as characters. Now imagine that if you have 1,000 such alphabet, it becomes such a great issue of telling, okay, I have 1 million or 100 million characters. Therefore what we have introduced is unit of convention. Same as you say 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 gram. You can say 1,000 characters equal to a certain number of bytes. or 1000 bytes may be equal to 1 kilobyte. So let's go ahead and take a look to the unit of measurement in terms of bytes. Counting bytes. 1000 byte is known as a kilobyte. So instead of saying 1000 characters or 1000 bytes, we can just say 1 kilobyte. 1,000,000 bytes is known as a megabyte, and the unit is MB. So instead of saying so many zeros of bytes or characters, we can just say 1 MB. Now imagine how many characters can go in 1 MB or 1 megabyte. 1,000,000 characters can go there. 2 megabyte, you'll have 2 million. For 1000 million bytes, we just say 1 gigabyte. And for terabyte, which is million bytes. So that's it. You're going to meet these kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte in other section of the syllabus. For now, take care.